Wouldn't it be amazing to feel good from the inside out, using the simple power of nature? The information provided in this video is for general wellness purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. Please consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or health regimen, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medication. Forget complicated supplements and expensive store-bought drinks. Today, we're making 3 incredible herbal remedies that are not only delicious but also support your body naturally. And the best part? You can make them all at home. First up, the ultimate anti-inflammatory and digestive aid, ginger tea. Simply slice up a half-inch of fresh ginger root. Place it in a pot with a cup and a half of water, and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. The longer you let it cook, the spicier and more potent it will be. Once it's ready, strain it into your favorite mug. Add a little fresh lemon and honey to taste. This is my go-to for a chilly day or when I need a little digestive comfort. Next, let's make a classic mint tea. This one is perfect for calming your nerves and easing stress. Just grab a handful of fresh mint leaves, place them in a mug, and pour boiling water over the top. Let it steep for about 5 to 10 minutes. You can enjoy it hot, or for a refreshing twist, pour it over ice for an amazing iced tea. Finally, we have a cold and flu season favorite, the lemon, ginger, and honey tonic. This is a powerful blend of vitamin C, anti-inflammatory ginger, and antibacterial honey. In a mug, combine a teaspoon of grated ginger, the juice of half a lemon, and a spoonful of honey. Top it with hot water, give it a stir, and you have a soothing and delicious remedy. See how easy that was? With just a few simple ingredients, you can make powerful and delicious drinks that support your health every day. It's a small change that can make a big difference. So which drink are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments below.